Hi guys, I'm Mama Bear Demandi. I am mom to 15. Yes, 15. We are going to be feeding 15 people with this grocery haul here. So let's go do that. Hey guys, we are about to go into Costco for the first time. So why don't you come along? Okay guys, this was one of my favorite finds here. For $9.99 there was sprouted organic oats. Yes, that is a great price. It's like $1.99 a pound. So I ended up getting 4 bags of those. I was looking at this peanut butter stuff. It was kind of expensive. It looked kind of interesting, but I decided not to go with that. But it was a new product that I hadn't seen before, so I was looking at the label. That's how I learned about different products that I want to try out. Here we go with this no sugar added type cereal, but it still was really high in carbs, so I decided to, again, not to grab this cereal. I looked at the one next to it and it actually didn't say no sugar added, and it was less sugar than that one. I got neither. So here is some naturally sweetened excuse me, jam, so we decided to grab one of those for sweet pea. Grabbed one of these bacon crumbles. I like the ones from Sam's Club. I couldn't decide if it was a good price or not, but I decided to grab one anyway. We've been doing a lot of baked potatoes over at both of the houses actually, and I thought that would make a great topping for some baked potatoes. Threw those in the cart, looking around, trying to see. There was a lot of action going on. Those coconut oils were huge compared to the ones that we were normally used to. I couldn't decide if it was a good deal, but if it was a good deal, I didn't want to miss out on that opportunity, so I threw one in the cart. Turns out it was a fairly good deal. Let's grab a bag of this sugar in the raw. They actually have sugar in the raw organic. I never knew they even had that one, but we grabbed one of those. Let's look over here. I grabbed some avocado oil and then some avocado chips. I'm trying to get rid of those nasty seed oils, so I was trying some new products. The avocado oil, I think I'm going to be making like mayonnaise and stuff with. That's what I would do at home. I loved avocado oil in order to make mayonnaise. Although I don't know if it's cheaper to make mayonnaise or not with the price of eggs. What do you guys think? I'll have to cost it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you make your own mayonnaise, if you still think it's cheaper to do your own mayonnaise versus buying mayonnaise. I did not buy these. I was getting hungry. Can you tell? I bought chips and then I looked at that and I was like, I don't know if I want those or not. Yeah, I shouldn't really buy those, so I didn't. And I walked away. And another bag of chips. So I decided to grab some more chips because they were good ingredients, and I know that we're going to be in the vehicle a lot, and sandwiches and chips are just quick and easy, and that's what my brain can handle at the moment. So I grabbed at least some semi-healthy chips. Looking at a lot of things, buying a few things, but more like looking. We're not doing a big shopping, really just grabbing a couple things to try out. So we're always needing half and half, so I grabbed a thing of half and half along with some sour cream. Like I said previously, we are doing a lot of baked potatoes, and who doesn't like baked potatoes with sour cream? Well, I do have some kids that don't, but I sure do. Okay, so I saw this new type of yogurt, and I couldn't decide if I would like it or not. So if you guys have ever tried this yogurt, let me know in the comments below if you like it, if you've tried it, if it acts like a regular yogurt, or what you think of it. I ended up just getting my old standby, the Greek yogurt, and it's whole milk yogurt. I'd much rather prefer whole milk versus skim milk in my yogurt, so I got that. I just rolled out of bed, which is not something that I normally would do, bring kids out like that. But we had like no heat in the house. Literally, that would be a whole nother story, but there was no heat in the new house. So it's kind of like, hurry up and let's just get out of the house. Which are the cuties? $6.99 for those. Hi guys, I am Mama Bear Demandi. We went grocery shopping and now we are unpacking everything. I was trying to take more videos with me like in the store, like to show you what I was doing at our first Costco haul. Yeah, it was a lot of me trying to figure things out. I actually knew I wanted to, I was looking for, they had these big white shelves. So what happened, how I got my Costco membership was our tire for our minivan was deflated in the parking garage at Boston Children's. So the guy helped us reinflate it, and we brought it to Costco thinking we just needed a tire. Well, we didn't end up needing tire, we needed rims and tires. So we have it sitting, we got it up to Maine, have it sitting there to get stuff together. Long story, we just had another thing repaired, but the guy said he can repair that, yada, 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 life. So in amongst that, I knew I was gonna have to have a Costco membership in order to get that done. So I waited, I got my Costco membership. I literally like ran through and grabbed like a few things. But as I was running through, I noticed these shelves that had like little cubbies that went in it. And I was like, oh, those are perfect. So I went to go back to get those today. I knew that I wanted those for the house and they didn't have them. But I think I can order them. I'm going to order them online probably after I'm done with this video so I don't forget. I'm so tired, guys. So tired. It has just been a long, exhausting few days. Anyhow, I went to Costco, looked around, got a bunch of groceries. I'll tell you about them. Yeah, so let's see. My brain could not stay focused in this trip. I knew for here I needed a couple fresh fruits and vegetables because it is March. So I decided to just get some things, hopefully take us through a week or two and then figure out life after that. So most of the stuff, I don't even know, most of the stuff is for here, but I'll share with you. Just some cool finds that I found there, which I am super excited about. I found that they have a lot more organic products than Sam's Club does. Anyhow, I got a thing of bananas. I got two things of these massive sweet potatoes. These are actually both gonna stay here. Yeah, two massive things of sweet potatoes, a bag. This is 10 pounds of regular potatoes. We've been doing a lot of potatoes with stuff, like with hamburger or with sauteed vegetables or with broccoli or yeah, on the side. Been doing a lot of potatoes, so those are all for here. Got some oranges. The oranges looked really good. And then I got some clementines as well. Organic broccoli florets, those are nice. And then we got this organic light brown rice. We have regular rice both here and at the Wells house, but we did not have brown rice. And so organic brown rice, yes, that was sounding good. First thing I saw for fruit was this, tropical fruit. So I thought this would make a good snack. It's real food, right? So trying to get back to real food as we transition from the other house to, as we transition from all the homes to our one home, I want to get back to real food. Anyhow, sometimes when you're used to lots of sweets, it's good to have lots of fruit to kind of negate that. Cherries. Bacon crumbles. I did not think that's what that was. I had another fruit. I had figs. I love figs. Here we go. There's the figs. Organic sun-dried figs. I love figs. I am probably going to open those up after and eat a couple of those. I really like figs. Bacon crumbles. Organic sugar in the raw. Oats. Oats. I was super happy with these oats, guys. I do not know. I know many of you can get like Azure and that type of stuff. I have not done Azure yet. I may potentially do that because I am going to be in Southern Maine. I haven't got that far yet. I'm just being honest with you guys. But this is gluten-free sprouted rolled oats. Yes, this was $10 for the bag. So it was only $1.99 a pound, which is really cheap. Or in my opinion, from our normal prices, that is a really good price. Okay, I got these stir fry veggies. I also got some chicken, so I thought she could do chicken stir fry as a quick and easy meal for her to do. Let's see. We have these cucumbers. A lot of times there's the younger kids that are here, so just fruit on the side, or vegetables on the side is great. We got these bags of carrots, 2 bags. I get this double pack of the Chipotle Ranch salads and celery sticks. So we'll put like peanut butter on the celery sticks. That would be great. Some organic baby spinach. I didn't get eggs. I didn't get eggs. That's frustrating. My thought was to put the spinach in the eggs, and I didn't get eggs. I was looking for eggs. It was really set up. The way that it was set up, my brain was like, okay, I was expecting, you ever go to a store and you expect something to be like over here, and it's actually like way over here? Yeah, I was trying to go up and down the aisles, but I feel like it didn't have a good layout. I felt like I kept having to go back to the other side. Anyway, walked up and down the aisles that I could. It was very busy in there. And it wasn't even a busy day, right? Okay, anyway, I don't have eggs. I may need to buy her eggs and have them delivered here. I'll ask. I don't know how many. She might have some in the fridge already. We'll see. Anyway, my thought was the spinach with the eggs. Peppers. You could do eggs, spinach, peppers, bacon bits, and make a great little quiche there. Blueberry and cinnamon. This is, everyone's been doing like this type of stuff on top of their yogurt. So yes. This was a good price. I think it was $8.99 for 2 loaves of this gluten-free bread. We have sour cream, half and half. This was nice too. I forgot to bring down some, it's just like plain all fruit, right? I usually make just fruit for my girls, or for my girls. The people with diabetes, just doing the fruit without the sugar, or putting monk fruit in its place. And so I have some of those at home and I did not bring them down, but I saw this, so I grabbed that for them. These yogurts are going to be a staple for breakfast, just yogurt and granola. I did video another type of yogurt. I hope that somebody can tell me all about it, because I don't know, but it was a really good price. Here is some avocado oil. This would be used to make mayonnaise and or, what else would I use that for? Oh, dressing, like salad dressing. Then I got these. These are actually avocado oil. Some of them will say avocado oil, but it actually only has a portion avocado oil. These are actually avocado oil. As you can see, let's zoom in there. Whoop. There's no extra other oils. I'm trying to get those yucky oils out of our diet. Eventually, guys. And then this massive thing of coconut oil. So we also got a few more things that we ate for lunch. I got some grapes. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I got something else. I don't know. I ate grapes for lunch. Probably not the best idea. Anyway, this is what we got at the grocery store. I did take little tidbits of grocery shopping. Hope you enjoyed those. What are you guys doing? I was like going through the store and I'm thinking, this is so not affordable. I definitely need to like regroup, restretch, go back to some of my old techniques that I used to do years ago before we had animals. Start thinking of those meals and addressing those situations and trying to figure it out, because I don't even know what my budget is. Well, my budget normally is $100 per person per month. But with everything going on, our food budget is like the budget that we would shrink down first. So with everything going on, I mean, right now I have 3 houses that I'm paying oil on. 3 houses I'm paying oil on. Yeah. Yeah. Anyhow, anyway, I have not rediscovered the new budget with just the one house because we're not there yet. And so I am just trying to do my best. I'm very thankful. It's the season of, we just got our tax return. So I think that will just help us to get along until we are at the stage where we're only needing to pay for that one. Yeah, but I haven't, so I'm not sure if that will actually be my budget after we move. I might actually need to take it down a notch, but I am like mentally thinking that I need to think up and recreate some of the things that I had before. I'm excited because I brought my old recipe books back. I had those recipe books for years and years. I took notes, I did the things. And so we're just gonna look, think of some new things, do some new things. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. So just join us along in all those things because we're trying to make it in this economy, guys. What about you? Hope you have a blessed and wonderful day.